Hello, I am Dr. Arvind Patel, founder and CEO of Valgro India Limited. Today we have distinguished guest Mr. Anupam Yadav from Bhopal. Sir is already buy one machine since last 1 year, use our machine since last 1 year. So, what is your feedback about the Valgro product machine, sir?
We are using Valgro machine since 1 year, and first when we have purchased the machine, and after that we observe our requirement and identify where we are losing, where we are gaining. After the several discussion with Valgro, we decide a way. We have taken a different size of brushes and emery belts, and try as per our requirement, and fix it. When what will be the first, what will be the last, what will be the in process. After that we are optimizing our production as per our demand and meeting our demand, and Valgro is helping us.
What is your exact operation? Which material you want to deburring is or burr-free surface is required?
We are producing copper bus bars from 0.5 mm thickness to 25 mm thickness. These are critical bendings, edge bending, and width wise, vertical and horizontal both included in one parts. And these are electrical application in locomotives and control gear operations.
Right.
We are producing the bus bars by profile cutting as well as flat milling, punching, all mechanical operations, and producing some other bus bars which are made by the brushes, which are made by the braids and wire cable also.
So, what is the importance of burr-free surface in locomotive applications?
If you have burr-free surface, then the conductivity will be greater than our burr surface, and the current losses and conductivity losses will be less in deburr surface in comparison to burr surface.
Right. So it is a technical need.
Yes.
Right. And is it clear about the surface finishing also? In copper, surface finishing is also required?
Yes. If you have copper finishing on the flat parts and the profile cutting parts, then the plating will be more aggressive and authentic in a way. You get a plating and optimized thickness you will achieve. If the metal surface is poor, then you will not get the proper adhesion and proper coating of the plating.
Right.
It is essential for the plating and coating of the metal.
And even the aesthetic also increase.
Yes, aesthetic look also increase.
Right. So therefore, you buy our hybrid 24 series. So first head belt and second head is the Scotch Brite brush.
Yes.
So the Anupamji's need is vertical burr remove with inside and outside the hole, as well as the super finish. So copper is tarnish free surface for further coating operation.
Yes.
So this is your main application.
Yes.
Right. Are you satisfied with the Valgro product?
Yes.
Yeah. And what about your team or production team? How you can reduce your challenges with the Valgro machine?
Before the Valgro machine, we are using and applying the conventional approach like linishing belt and vibratory finishing, and you can say sender and grinder. After the
all are manual.
Yeah, all are manual, and there is the manual control. In conventional method, we observe the uniformity and uniformity of the finishing, and the a matte finish, or you can say uniform finish, we are not getting. After purchasing a Valgro machine, we will get a uniform finishing touch.
Right.
which is essential for the plating and appear after the plating. Looks smooth.
Right. And before install the Valgro hybrid machines, how much labor is involved for deburring and surface finishing purpose?
2 or 3 manpower.
2 or 3 manpower.
Yes.
And there is lot of backlogs are there.
Yes.
So after this machine, are you reduce your backlogs?
Yes, we have reduced our backlog and giving our customer satisfaction and OTD on time delivery is improved from approx 85% to 99-100% we have achieved from our most of the customers.
Yeah, so that's the good news.
Yes,
because you already on time delivery is already reached almost 85 to 95% and somewhere 100%.
Yes.
So after Valgro machine installation, the whatever backlogs are there, they are reducing more than 95%. This is good achievement from the Valgro. That is the good things, Mr. Anupam. And today you are here for further inspection of the machine or new equipment possibility.
Yes.
Today, after visit our facility, what is your feedback?
Which we have observed, which issue was observed in previous machine and process. Today my visit purpose was remove of that.
Right.
I see in your model that is removed, and I am convinced if we take trials in different ways, then we can remove it and achieve what we want.
Very nice. Thank you, Mr. Anupam. Thank you.
Thank you.
So the outcome is why copper busbar industries require Valgro machine for uniform deburring, edge rounding and surface finishing with the tarnish-free surface for further silver or lead coating purpose. And the coating and bonding adhesion is the perfect, as well as electric conductivity, very smooth pass from one end to other end. And this technical requirement for all industries where high power frequency is transfer required. So like transformer industries, locomotive industries, heavy engineering industries, everywhere now copper bus bar deburring burr free surface is required. So thank you Valgro and thank you Valgro team to invent the very good deburring and metal finishing machine. Thank you, Mr. Anupam.
Thank you.
Thank you.